Keys way. So I'm going to be doing a review for this by Hard Candy, and it's body luminizer, and it says transfer resistant, and basically it's just like highlighter for your skin, and it has a fresh coconut scent. Still isn't focused. So I saw a couple of reviews online. It only costs $8.94 plus tax. That's how it looks. It's like golden goop. I'm gonna have to get a close-up of it, and people were saying that it's kind of sticky, but we're gonna try it out. So let's go ahead and show some skin. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, it smells really good. The coconut. Ooh. Hello. I want to get it on my clothes. I paid $8 for this. I mean, it look okay. I just look moisturized. It has a tint to it, which kind of matches my natural skin tone, but I thought it was gonna like glow a bit. I don't know, y'all. I like how it smells. As far as it being sticky, it is a little bit sticky. Maybe it has to dry. I don't really like that it's sticky. Some on my arm. That look kind of nice. I do have arm hair like a normal human. It's, oh crap. I like it. It was not really what I was expecting, but it's doable. I mean, it make my skin look, I thought it was gonna look like this bottle, but I guess this is more reasonable. So I mean, I like the scent. My voice is cracking, but I like the scent and everything, and it does, you know, that looks smooth and youthful. My mouth all wet. It's probably this coconut. I did eat before this, but yes, y'all, this is the Hard Candy Just Glow All Over Body Luminizer. I might come back and see like how it feels when, like, is this it completely dried, or is it gonna stay like tacky like this? I think it just stays tacky. I will let y'all know if it like ever like not feel like this, if it is gonna ever like dry, and because it kind of feels gross. And honestly, I could have just put some highlighter and some oil and put some coconut fragrance drops in it and got the same result. Alright, well that's it for this video, y'all. I would have to rate this I give it a 3.5 stars out of 5. I mean, my skin does look nice. My skin, I do look like I'm glowing a bit, but it's just the, I don't know. I think it's fine. You know what? I give it a 4 because it's still slightly tacky, but it's not as sticky as the reviews on the internet were. On the Walmart website, they were like, it's sticky, and I'm like, it's not that sticky, but I mean, I feel moisturized, and I feel like I'm gonna stay moisturized for a really long time. So I will get this. And I mean, my arms, it looks sexy, so I can I guess I got a sexy arm right here, so I can only imagine that, like, me putting this on my legs and going to my backyard because I can't go to the beach right now. I would imagine that, you know, this would, I mean, it'll look nice. It'll look nice. We'll see though. But I like this product. It's a lot in here. But yeah, y'all, I would give this a 4 out of 5 star review. I changed it because this, it's not even as bad as they were trying to make it out to be. And I look very well moisturized, and yeah, I feel like it seals moisture really nicely. And I just can only imagine like how my skin will look underneath like the sunlight. Like, whoa. Instagram photos on a fleek. But yeah, definitely try this. They also had a lighter one, and I would assume that that's for people with fair skin or more fair skin. But yeah, I think this was a really good product to invest in. Actually, my arm doesn't even feel sticky anymore, so you just gotta let it like really, oh, that's weird. My chest is, maybe I should rub it in more. Like, why does my chest still feel like, but my arm feels like really smooth. Y'all can see like compared to this arm, look basic, and then this one, look at that, look at that. It's a difference. And it's actually it's a difference as far as like how bronze my arm is with the product on it. I like it. Yeah, I would definitely get this again. So yeah, that was my review on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have ever used this product before, let me know. If you plan on buying this, let me know. I know this video isn't sponsored or anything. I just saw this and I want to buy it, and I like it. I will keep buying it. And actually, when I went, it was the last one left. That should have been like an indicator, like this is a really good product. It's selling out fast. So yeah, that was my review. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I just actually get up to go rinse my hands off because like I didn't want it to like stain. You know, it does have a little tint of like bronzer in here, I believe. But I noticed that it left like, look at that. It like has these little like fine glitter in there. That's really cute, right? I just thought that was nice, so okay. I just wanted to add that. I just want to see how does my skin look. It don't really look like much in the natural light. I'm kind of mad, but it's also not sunny outside, so whatever. On this product, am I ashy? I don't want to be ashy. Even though this is the world's worst lotion ever, It was $1. Okay, so okay, so I'm gonna be reviewing the hard candy. Is it focused? Maybe I should get up. Don't focus on me. It's still trying to focus. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna get a close-up of this.